In this video, what we're going to do is have a quick look at some basic electronics components. So there's probably three you want to know for the purposes of this. The first one is something called a battery, and that's expressed by drawing a bit of wire coming down. Then you have a big long line and a short one, then a dotty line, another long line, another short line, and we run down like that. So this is a battery. The idea is that what this represents is the long line and the short line. That represents an individual battery cell. That's the positive leg of the battery. The longer line, the dot, indicates there might be a number more cells located in here, ending up with another cell down the bottom. Each cell is 1.5 volts, and you can have as many as you want. So this could be a 9-volt battery. There are always multiples of 1.5 in most electronics applications. The other thing you tend to see as well quite a lot in circuits is a resistor, which in the UK at least is represented as a big rectangle a little bit like this, and it's normal to write the value of the resistor just after that as well. You don't write the units, which would be ohms, so this is 1k, 1000 ohms. And then another one that we're going to need for today's lesson is something called an LED, which is a little component that will light up when you pass electricity through it, and it's drawn a little bit like this with two lines coming off the back as well, which represent beams of light that are coming off of it. So we've got LED, we've got the resistor, and we've got the battery. What you need to do is to be able to go away and memorize these and be able to draw them all by yourself, so that when we talk about it in the lesson, you'll know exactly what I mean. Last one, just for a bonus, can be a thing called a push-to-make switch as well. So a push-to-make switch, any electronic switch in electricity, is really simply a gap in 2 points in a circuit. So here comes my wire, here comes my wire, there's a gap so the electricity can't travel beyond this point, and when I push down on this switch, you can almost imagine this travelling down to join all these points together just here, at which point the electricity can flow all the way along and through it and onwards to complete its journey. And using these different things like the push to make switch